My dear student, yesterday I discussed unemployment and types of unemployment. Today I am going to discuss the impacts of unemployment. The unemployment problem is the worst problem today in India, in the history of India, especially after independence. This is the phase when unemployment is galloping. Most of the people who were employed in the past became unemployed. The economy is facing a recession, and so today I am going to discuss the effects of unemployment. First, unemployment leads to the wastage of manpower resource. Man is the ultimate resource which determines the use of other resources. People who are an asset for the country turn into a liability due to unemployment. People which is a resource, which is the ultimate resource, which is the prime resource, is turned into a liability for the nation. Second thing, feeling of hopelessness and despair occurs among the youth, and this leads to antisocial activities. So unemployment is very detrimental, very harmful. People who do not have enough money to support their family due to unemployment, the people have no money to support their family, and so the economy becomes feeble, weak, depressed. Third is inability of educated people who are willing to work to find gainful employment implies great social waste. The people who are spending much more money on their sibling to get education and acquire knowledge and then get gainful employment becomes hopeless. And so hopelessness and despair not only gallops the youth but their parents also. Next is inability of educated people. Unemployment tends to increase economic overload. Unemployed people becomes dependent population. The dependent population on the working population leads to backwardness, underdevelopment of the family, of the society and of the nation. So it is an economic overload, and the dependency ratio increases, which is very harmful for the economy. The quality of life of an individual as well as of society is adversely affected. The quality, after so much hard labor, so much money spending on their education, if they do not get gainful employment, then these are adversely affected the individuality, the personality of the people, and there is a general decline in health status and rising withdrawal from the school system. If the people are unemployed, they have no money to spend on their children, and so the dropout rates in the secondary and tertiary, even college or university level increases, and so withdrawal of students from schools and colleges increases due to unemployment. These are the major effects of unemployment. Hence, unemployment has harmful impact on overall growth of an economy. increase in unemployment is an indicator of a depressed economy. Depressed economy means underdeveloped economy. India is an underdeveloped economy, and due to unemployment, it is plunging deep into the underdevelopment. It also wastes the resource which could have been gainfully employed. If the people are getting employment, then the economy will boom and there will be economic prosperity. This kind of unemployment maintains them at a bare subsistence level. As you know that most of the people in India depends on agriculture for their livelihood. They are eking out their livelihood anyhow, and in absence of other alternative employment, they are still in the agricultural sector, and the surplus manpower is known as underemployed or disguised unemployed people. The surplus people have moved to work in the secondary and tertiary sectors. Some people dare to move out from agricultural sector to find job anywhere in the secondary or tertiary sector, service sector. A small scale manufacturing absorbs most of the labor in the secondary sector. So overall, unemployment is a blot on the face of India, and this should be tackled properly. Otherwise, the economic condition of the country will regress in future. Thank you.